What's up everybody, welcome to another interesting tech review video. Today I have this Romoss MagCarry wireless power bank. It's light, compact, durable, yet very powerful. Well, before we start the review of this Romoss power bank, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. The Romoss MagCarry wireless power bank combines a compact design tailored for Apple users. Measuring 104mm by 67mm with a thickness of 20.5mm, it easily fits into a pocket or bag without adding bulk. Weighing 234 grams, it's both lightweight and durable, suitable for travel, work, or everyday use. The power bank features a scratch-resistant exterior built to withstand daily handling. With its minimalist design, the MagCarry aligns well with Apple's sleek aesthetics, making it an attractive accessory. Romoss emphasizes portability and functionality, providing magnetic charging power for all the Apple devices with seamless integration into Apple's ecosystem. The MagCarry includes two USB-C ports, USB-C 1 and USB-C 2, each supporting up to 30 watt for both input and output. This setup enables simultaneous charging for two devices, allowing for easy power management of an iPhone and an additional device like an iPad Pro without needing extra cables. Additionally, the power bank supports 15 watt wireless charging, which is compatible with not only iPhones but also AirPods and Apple Watches, making it a versatile charging solution for the entire Apple ecosystem. With both wired and wireless options, up to 3 devices can charge at once. The built-in dual USB-C cable also supports up to 30 watt, reducing the need to carry additional cables and making it more convenient for multi-device setups. Inside, the MagCarry is powered by a 10,000 mAh battery, providing enough capacity to charge most smartphones at least twice, offering reliable power throughout the day. This power bank also supports fast charging, capable of boosting an iPhone to around 60% in just 30 minutes, while the power bank itself recharges fully in approximately 90 minutes. The MagTrinity technology integrates magnetic intelligence to automatically detect connected devices, delivering optimal power and managing safety with cool charging technology to prevent overheating, overcharging, and wasted energy. Well, compatibility extends across Apple devices, including iPhone models 8 through 16, AirPods, Apple Watch, and other Type-C devices or tablets. Additionally, the LED indicators provide real-time updates on charging status. The Romoss MagCarry's design focuses on convenience, featuring a built-in USB-C to USB-C cable to simplify charging needs. Its multi-device capability adapts well to various environments, allowing an iPhone to charge magnetically, while an iPad or a MacBook Air powers up simultaneously. This setup is particularly useful in settings like cafes, office, or during commutes, where managing multiple devices is common. During active use, the 15 Newton magnetic hold provides a strong attachment, keeping devices securely in place even during jogging, cycling, or hiking. The compact size of the MagCarry also prevents obstruction of the phone's camera, allowing uninterrupted photography or video recording while charging. I think Romoss has designed this model to achieve the right size for versatility in daily use, balancing compactness with practical functionality. Okay, personally, I care about safety, and I'm happy to see that safety is a key feature of the MagCarry. Romoss MagCarry includes multiple protection mechanisms to ensure safe charging. These protections cover overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, and short-circuit risks, minimizing potential issues during charging. Additionally, the cool charging technology manages temperature effectively, preventing the device from overheating during extended use. The power bank also offers safeguards for overcharge and overdischarge, ensuring that both the power bank and connected devices remain secure throughout use. One more time, yeah, supported by MagTrinity technology and an advanced electromagnetic induction coil system, the Romoss MagCarry provides efficient charging tailored for Apple devices but remains compatible with other Type-C devices. This versatility and focus on safety make it a reliable option for users with diverse charging needs. Well, that's all about this mini yet mighty beast, one of my the most favorite power banks. I have left a link of this Romoss MagCarry wireless power bank link in the description box. Go ahead, check this one. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.